First of all, my English is not good, and I know many of you can't understand Hindi. So when I talk in English, I talk shit. So better I talk in Hindi. Okay, तो जिसको हिंदी नहीं आती है वो बाजू वाले से पूछना. अभी ऐसा है कि मेरा शायद कुछ लोग नहीं जानते हो, मेरा नाम सौरभ शुक्ला है और मेरे चैनल का नाम है MySirG. And I started my channel to actually resolve this one issue. जो नॉर्थ का पूरा बेल्ट है, इंग्लिश की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है ना? पता होगा जो लोग नॉर्थ से हैं. तो मैंने हिंदी में चैनल चालू किया और टेक्नोलॉजी को हिंदी में पढ़ाना चालू किया. और फिर मेरी एक स्टूडेंट थी जो प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज से पढ़ी थी और उसका गूगल में प्लेसमेंट हुआ, और वहां से फिर उसका जब वीडियो पब्लिश किया तो काफी लोग मोटिवेट हुए. अभी जैसे आप लोग सोचो कि फ्रेशर हो, पहला जॉब आपका कितने का लगना चाहिए? एक होता है ना एक्सपेक्टेशन, कितने का होना चाहिए, कॉलेज में कंपनीज आती है कितने का होना चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट टाइम उसका पैकेज लगा था 87.5 लाख का. So that was a good package, I guess, for a fresher. हाँ? नहीं अच्छा? कम है? Okay. लेकिन उसके बाद जो सिलसिला निकला है, अभी मैं आपको मिलवाता हूं, आप में से काफी लोग जानते भी हैं. One of my student, रोहित नेगी, who started learning प्रोग्रामिंग फ्रॉम माय चैनल, एंड उसके बाद तो फिर वो 10 और चैनल देखे होंगे. खूब मेहनत करी, बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है उनकी. उनका उबर में प्लेसमेंट हुआ है और 2 करोड़ का पैकेज लगा. तो मैं आप लोगों को इसलिए मिलवाना चाहता हूं कि ये लोग रेयरली अवेलेबल होते हैं और अभी वो लकीली हमारे साथ हैं. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि वो यहां पर आए. और सबसे पहले तो बहुत अच्छे से तालियां बजाइए क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी बात है. उत्तराखंड को बिलोंग करते, छोटी जगह से हैं. स्कूलिंग हमको मालूम है छोटी जगह पे किस तरह से स्कूलिंग होती है. उसके बाद बीटेक किया है. बीटेक तक बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ाई में पता नहीं था कि क्या करना है, लेकिन 3rd ईयर के बाद से जब उन्हें लगा कि हाँ नहीं अब मुझे कुछ करना है, तो फिर मेहनत करी. गेट में आई थिंक 202 रैंक आई थी, तो वो भी बहुत बढ़िया रैंक है. उसके बाद फिर IIT गुवाहाटी से इन्होंने एमटेक किया और वहां पे फिर प्लेसमेंट निकाला उबर का. और उसमें भी मैं चाहूंगा कि अभी वो स्टोरी बताए अपनी कि पहले वो TCS पे भी उन्होंने ट्राई किया था और TCS में उनका सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ, लेकिन वो सिलेक्शन क्यों नहीं हुआ था वो खुद बताएंगे. तो इट्स वेरी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this chance. Oh, everyone is looking at me. So, actually जो स्टोरी थी मेरी TCS रिजेक्ट होने की, वो ऐसा था कि मैं गया था, मैंने उससे पहले कभी कोडिंग करी थी, सर से मैंने सीखा था C++, लेकिन उनको अभी मैंने सेमेस्टर एग्जाम में पास करने के लिए जो Tier 3 के बच्चे होते हैं वो कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं सिर्फ एग्जाम पास करने के लिए. सर ने तो काफी डेप्थ से पढ़ा था. जब बिगनर शुरू करता है तो उनको एक हाथ चाहिए होता है, फॉल टू रिकर्सन कैसे काम कर रहा है स्टार्टिंग में, वो चाहिए होता है. तो मैं TCS का एग्जाम देने गया था, तो कोई सोच सकता है मुझसे कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछा गया और वो मैं आंसर नहीं कर पाया. बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन था, आज से 3 साल पहले की बात होगी, 2019 में. एनी गेस? बहुत ही बेसिक प्रोग्राम. हेलो वर्ल्ड, इतना भी बेसिक. तो मुझे ना प्राइम नंबर का प्रोग्राम पूछा गया था, मैं कर नहीं पाया था. तो वो उस दिन जब मुझे रिसेप्शन मिला वहां पे कि हाँ नहीं बना, फिर भी इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आ गया. सोचो क्या लेवल होगा फिर उनका. फिर मैं इंटरव्यू देने नहीं गया क्योंकि मुझे फोन था कि हाँ चलो नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे. ठीक है, होता ना हर किसी को कि जब मुझसे प्रोग्राम ही नहीं बना, वहाँ तो इंटरव्यू जाकर बेइज्जती होगी. पहले उत्तराखंड से मुझे दिल्ली जाना पड़ेगा, वहाँ पे मेरा इंटरव्यू लेगा, इंटरव्यू मुझे दिल्ली करेगा, आ जाऊँगा वापस. इससे बढ़िया मैं गया ही नहीं. उसके बाद मैंने अपनी गेट की तैयारी शुरू करी. तो गेट 6 महीने मैंने तैयारी करी और 202 रैंक लेके आया. उसके बाद मैं IIT गुवाहाटी गया एडमिशन लेने. तब तक मैंने कोडिंग बिल्कुल नहीं करी थी, मुझे DA से आता था. फिर मैंने कोडिंग शुरू करी. तो 1-1.5 साल मैंने कोडिंग के काफ़ी क्वेश्चन करे, 1200 से ऊपर काफ़ी क्वेश्चन करे. उसके बाद मेरा प्लेसमेंट हो गया. तो वही
तो This is truly inspiring story because जिस जगह से उत्तराखंड में छोटी जगह से बिलोंग करते हैं, उसके बाद जैसे उन्होंने बताया कि एक समय ऐसा था कि कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं था, तो बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, हैकेथॉन में पार्टिसिपेट किया। आई एम श्योर कि कई लोगों ने इससे पहले कभी भी हैकेथॉन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया होगा, वो भी यहाँ पर होंगे। लेकिन आप जब यहाँ पर आए, आपने इन चीजों को देखा, तो आपने कुछ सीखा कि नहीं सीखा? मतलब देखो, प्राइज मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा ये सेकेंडरी चीज है, पर कुछ सीखा कि नहीं सीखा? और ये एक्सपीरियंस ऑनलाइन में नहीं मिल सकता, ये तो यहां आके ही मिलेगा। क्या आपसे कोई एंट्री फी ली गई? नहीं। क्या आपने कोई कुछ भी चार्ज यहां पर? नहीं ना। क्यों कर रहे हैं? ये कम्युनिटी है और हम सबको एक दूसरे की हेल्प करनी है। किसी भी तरीके से आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो, किसी भी तरह से हेल्प कर सकते हो। जब आपने लिंक्डइन पे एक पोस्ट किया ना, आपने इस कम्युनिटी को हेल्प किया। इट्स नॉट जस्ट फॉर प्राइजेस। अभी ब्लॉकचेन कैसे आगे बढ़ेगा? वो ऐसे आगे बढ़ेगा कि आप उसे आगे बढ़ाओगे, जब आप उसको स्प्रेड करोगे, जब आप उसमें कुछ क्रिएट करोगे, जैसे आपने यहां पर क्रिएट किया। सो ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आज आपने कितना अच्छा बना लिया, आपने कोशिश करी, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। कांग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू। भले ही आपको प्राइज मिले या ना मिले, दिस इज एन अचीवमेंट। और यहां से खूब सारी फोटोज खींच के जाना, इसको याद रखना और अगले हैकेथॉन में फिर आना, ठीक है? तो आप लोग कभी भी जैसे अब जाएंगे और इनसे मिलना हो, आप मिल लीजिएगा। ओके, तो थैंक यू फ्रॉम माय साइड। थैंक यू। नवीन सर, सर आपका हायरिंग का हो गया?
Okay guys, so let's start the announcement. Naveen sir is a little bit busy as he has to take a class, so he'll come in sometime. So yeah, we got many submissions, but out of that we have selected the top 5. Before it was 3, so top 5. So we'll start from 5th. Who is the 5th winner? And then he will come and show his demo. The demo will be just like he can just show the video and what
just make a call him.
Okay, his team is winning 10,000 rupees.
Round of applause, guys.
So guys, 5th winner. You can talk about the demo. We will try to play your video over here and what you have implemented. You want to wait for your team? Okay, sure.
Hi, I'm Shwetan and this is Shivanshu, and we are making the submissions for a problem statement which was
Yeah, so which use the problem number 3, which was to build an e-commerce website which accepts cryptocurrency as a payment. So for that we also we have done three things. We also created a payment gateway on the crypto. We deployed the data on the blockchain, and we also send the image to store in a particular place. So everything was deployed on the blockchain, and we also stored data in our local database to just have a backup of everything. We also used Python for the tech we used. We used Python, and the framework was Django. Because we had to also use also deployed admin page in this, so we just chose the Django because it provides admin page automatically, so we don't have to work on that. So yeah, so this is the basic UI we use for our e-commerce website. Just two products we added to give you the demo. This is the backend of Django. It's a default backend. We didn't do any changes. And this is the checkout form we created. We also linked Ethereum, and also we kept two default payment options in this. Yeah, so as you can see, we also gave PayPal for the users that didn't wanted to use cryptocurrency for their payment, and the ones they wanted to use, we gave Ethereum as payment option. And as the project instructed, we used MetaMask for the payment, and we used test coins for the payment. So that's all. My part was to create the smart contract and deploy the front end of the website. The backend for the payment and everything was created by Shukla. My team is not here.
So you are the fifth winner. Come. Yeah, go.
Okay, thank you. So we had to build an e-commerce platform. So we realized no need to reinvent the wheel. We took basically work in Django Python. So we took a basic Django project already deployed. We searched in GitHub for 2 hours. We got a good project from Free Code Camp. Then we went around chiseling away the parts which we want to implement in Web3. Number one was the payment. Okay, I want a crypto payment. Number one, how do I convert my dollar payment to crypto payment? I used Oracle, Chainlink. Chainlink is price feed is free. So I use most of the free tech out there. So Chainlink Oracle we used to convert our USD price feed to our Ethereum price feed. Again, it was mentioned you can use 4 or 5 different types of currencies, tokens, but Ethereum is easier, because we were using with other Ethereum based chains also. Rigby we were deploying, so it was easier for us. So anyways, so I got the price here. Next, I use MetaMask, and their plugins are, if you can code in JavaScript, yes, Python project, but I had to code in JavaScript in the browser. So if you can code in JavaScript properly, you can actually parse the payment value and attach it to MetaMask. It's not a difficult thing, just 10 lines of JavaScript code. So that was the payment gateway. The payment went through MetaMask this way, and the transaction we could mint on the chain. Any other payment, we were also dumping the transaction hash in the database for the customers. So that was the payment gateway. Now for the product, we realized these products are basically, if you look closely, they are non-fungible tokens. So we use ERC-721 from OpenZeppelin. We extended the library, and then so images and metadata I dumped on the Pinata. Metadata and the basic description I also dumped on the ERC-721 token. Right. So this was my product, and one functionality I could not fulfill in time was I wanted to pull in the product description, metadata, and images also from IPFS on the website, so that I could. My aim was end of the day it should look complete end-to-end Web3. You would not be able to find Web2, but that was the eventual aim. So I was not able to, because of lack of time, pull in the data from the IPFS, because I was dumping the IPFS URL into my DB. So my aim was to fetch the IPFS product URL from Pinata. I could not do that. Anyways, the last part was the vendor payment. So we had deployed a smart contract with the MetaMask was the payment was going into my smart contract and it was held by the smart contract. So I built in additional functions so that only the owner, I had to put in constraint, only the owner could do two functions, either withdraw everything towards the wallet which has actually deployed the contract, or owner could send in a list of addresses and the corresponding token values on that. For that also we had a database table. As soon as a value entered in the database table, vendor name, address, amount, paid, unpaid, transaction ID. As soon as the value entered, immediately the transaction was by Django was triggering a transaction in the chain, and yes, I think this was it. Yeah, right. Oh, you were running my video. I didn't see. So as soon as Django was triggering a transaction on the chain, and immediately the vendor was getting paid. So this was it, and this was the deployment method. I have to mention one thing: smart contract deployment. I was deploying smart contract through Brownie plugin in Django, but it was creating some problems. So one contract I deployed through Brownie and one contract I deployed through Remix. So, but more or less everything. Yeah. So these were the three basic functionalities I achieved. We achieved together: the payment, the product NFTs ERC-721 tokens, and the vendor payments.
Amazing. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now let's go to the fourth winner.
On number 4, we have Pawn Master, Vimal Suresh. Pawn Master.
I request Mukesh sir to facilitate him over here.
First of all, I have a small regret about the naming. Here's something other than what I meant. Pawn Master.
P-A-W-N. Please.
So while I was making the video, I understood. So, it's okay. Okay, this is
Well,
actually.
would you grow up? Come on.
This is actually an lending borrowing platform. So mainly there are three that people can use this platform. Basically, borrower, lender, and also I have added one more version which is called liquidator. So what happened is first it has a page like this. So a borrower will come and he will create a vault, and in this vault he will be able to add collateral, and in Pawn Master we have stable coin, our own stable coin, and it's called neuron tokens. It's a part of iNeuro. So and it's actually a stable coin, so it will create a vault, and depending upon the oracle price, it will give stable coin. And on the In the duration, we have to provide Unix time span. As we know, smart contracts takes Unix time. So you can give.
Yes, we are increasing the volume here.
Yeah. So it is actually the tokens. And now you can see the neuro tokens as well. So then we can go to invest. Okay. We just created a vault. Now we want to borrow token. So we can add. You can click on get max borrow. So now currently it doesn't, because it doesn't have any value. So that's okay. Okay. So duration to something we can give and borrow.
I've got a question.
Yeah.
The duration too is in what? Seconds, minutes, hours?
It's in Unix times.
Unix times.
Unix times.
Non-technical.
No, I will come to that. Being non-technical, because I'm a mechanical engineer, so I'm also non-technical. Yeah. So repayment loan, I have made only just one-time repayment. So just we'll approve tokens and repay it. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I think it's going fine because you can see the collateral tokens have been repaid. And last withdraw, I think that won't work. Some bugs are there. Yeah. That's it. And also, I would like to thank Naveen sir very much because I have a history with him. Because I started my career as mechanical engineer with no coding background. And then somehow I have to, at a phase of life, I have to stop that job. So at that time, I met someone in the YouTube with a blue t-shirt. It's called Hidesh Chaudhary. And I started learning full stack from him. And after that, I got a scholarship from Kerala Blockchain Academy because of school. Full stack mark. And after that, I didn't know anything about blockchain. So I was kind of, okay, I'll leave it and I'll go. Then I found someone in the YouTube who teaches about Hyperledger Fabric. And that is Naveen. So afterwards, now I'm working as a senior blockchain developer.
Number 3 is Nidhi.
Nidhi?
Chandralekha.
Okay, that's it. Nidhi. Nidhi Chandralekha S. Money Bharati. So they get a check of 50,000 rupees. I request Darius to give the check. Okay, guys, claps. Third prize.
Darius, one more question before you give our prizes. Ask the question. Regarding the project.
Which one? The duration one?
No,
Their project.
yeah, whatever they present.
I have to see the presentation, please. Guys, where's the team? It's okay now. 1% is deducted from this check. Pose to the camera, please. Not talking, guys. People are waiting.
Krista. आपका माइक Not now.
आपने सुना आवाज आ रही है मेरी ये कमेंट से तो बैक पे उसमें आवाज आई Guys, one participant is outside. He'll be coming in like a minute or so. Okay.
They don't have any questions?
Actually, I'm sorry for saying this. I saw on YouTube that I side by side coded everything. Actually, this is not a fully coded by me. I saw the YouTube and according to our components, I changed some things and presented. So I'm not totally deserve this. I'm sorry to say in front of you, sir, but I didn't even know the name of the coder. To be more frank, I don't even know more about things about blockchains. Also, today only I learned this. So I don't have anything, not anything.
Okay, how many of you are there who have not searched Google or seen YouTube videos? Everybody has searched, right? Yeah? Anybody who did not search, who was just focusing on seeing the documentation and writing the code? Right? So now the most interesting thing is that he's shocked over there. Oh, we won! See, like he is not right now saying that he does not deserve this award. Sir, what to do, sir, in this situation? Like, if you are also implementing a project, you'll at least see some Google or you'll see some documentation, you'll check it out each and everything.
So we have something called Stack Overflow.
Stack Overflow is also there. So they are saying that they do not deserve it. See, they created this entire thing. You know, obviously, If you don't know something, you'll search for it somewhere and you'll try to do that. Obviously, you can talk about like from where did you basically learn, or you know you implemented this, and you can give the credit and you can go ahead and take the reward. That is not a fault as such. Yeah. So what do you say, guys? Yeah. So you have also seen somewhere. If someone does not know something, you'll also be searching. Okay, so he's saying that I want to first of all accept this particular thing and then only he wants to take the reward. Does that feel fine for you all?
Yes.
Guys, come on, we need a louder yes for his honesty.
Last statement, what do you say?
If anyone thinks their project is better than this, they have to deserve this.
Okay, so he's saying that if anybody is there who feel that they deserve more than them, you can come and tell them that I deserve more than you.
He will give you the check and pay the TDS for you.
It's okay, sir. So it's a good job. Anyhow, you are very frank regarding this thing. But if you are going to a IT job or anything, right, you don't have to be so much frank. Right. So congratulations, everyone. Good, amazing job. The most interesting thing about this is the guy, right? He was coming over there. He said, "Oh, huh? So what happened, sir?" Why were you shocked? Why were you shocked?
So we think like this. I can't able to speak.
But you implemented everything, no, sir.
Yes, sir. They both worked a lot, sir. I didn't do it.
Darius, do you want to say something?
What is the name of your team? Team Honest. One guy says he didn't do anything. Two people are saying we didn't do anything, we copied it all. Guys, come on, give them a big round of applause.
At least to be honest, they are very honest. I know there are many people who are also honest and who will say that, okay, I copied from here, I copied from there. So that is how IT job will work. Okay, sir. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you. Bye. Okay. Let's go to the second award. Okay, now second award person also, whoever is coming, first of all, you should say, I cheated, sir, for somewhere, okay? Okay, that is not cheating, okay? So see, in internet, all the information is available, right? So you can basically take that, you can borrow that idea. You should not say cheating, you should say that I borrowed that idea and I implemented it.
And it's not about, see, it's easy to copy and paste, right? The difficult part is what to copy and where to paste. And you did a well.
And the most difficult part is how to run.
Yeah, how to run.
That's really important. I do remember while copying, like when you go for an exam, an actual one, I did a mistake of copying out everything, including the roll number. So that's really important for you to know where to copy from.
Not only roll number, so suppose if you are writing, right, your friend is writing, then suddenly he scratches, you also scratch. That also is the same design. Okay, let's go to the second award.
Number second is Novo Block. Team Novo Block, a big round of applause.
Novo Block, Sandeep Kumar, they get a reward of 1 lakh rupees. I request Divyanshu to come and please represent the check. Thank you. So congratulations, guys. Round of applause.
Big round of applause, guys. Commendable work.
So sometimes seeing the UI design, right, I feel like our blockchain developers are more of a front end and a back end people. Okay, sir, anything you want to talk about your project?
Good afternoon, everyone. We were working on the first problem statement, which is creating a
fund. I mean, raising a fund for the creators. So we named it Fund Me on ETH, which is you can send. I mean, you can fund any creator who is on this platform. So, I mean, this is just the homepage. So we invest a lot of time in UI. So we use Tailwind CSS and React for the UI, and for the backend we have used Solidity and Ethereum, and we used Remix to deploy all the contracts.
So you have some interesting creators over here, Naveen Reddy and Hitesh Chaudhary.
Yeah,
so start donating quickly.
So two of them are me and Sandeep, and the other we have taken from the judges. So very basic. Any creator can come to the platform and create an account for them, and anybody on Ethereum network can donate them, and so without any identity. So you can click on any creator, just click on donate and how much you want to donate, and as soon as you click confirm, you will see the MetaMask wallet opening, and you can basically you have to just click on confirm to confirm the transaction. It's taking some time, but it will go through.
So your MetaMask did not open. Notification will come, I guess.
It's not recorded on the screen. I am not sure. It's because of the recording. So after that, in the same platform, we have dashboard for the users and the creators. So user can see his what he donated and how much creators he has funded and his last 5 transactions in the dashboard. And same for the creator, he can see how many transactions he received and how much of Ethereum he got from the users. So there are a few other things we have implemented in the blockchain, but they are not in the UI. So the creator can actually withdraw his amount, and that's not present here. And there is a view partner page. We didn't get time to implement that as well. This is all we have today. Thank you. Congratulations.
So just to be frank, did you also see some YouTube tutorials?
Yeah.
Sorry, what? Without that, you cannot do that. Okay, perfect. Congratulations, guys. Guys, second prize. Yeah.
So there's a saying, right? Everything is a copy of a copy of a copy. So we borrowed from different things from different places.
Okay, amazing. So frank. Come on. Congratulations, guys. Now coming to the first prize. First prize. Any guesses? Any guesses? Sir, sorry, sir, we don't know the other team name. At least you should say your team name then.
So, can we reveal the first prize on the count of 5?
Yeah?
Yes?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Naveen sir, you want to announce the first prize? Okay, the first prize goes to
Cryptify.
So they get a check of 2 lakh rupees. I want to call on Ranjit to give the reward. Come. Ranjit, take this check. Everywhere. Okay, come on guys, congratulations, sir. Big claps. See guys, after thorough validation, seeing everything, these are the people who have won the first prize. Sir, please talk about your entire project. I think you're from college. Which college? VIT, right? Okay, so you can talk about your project complete.
Okay, hello everyone. Am I audible? Yeah, so so basically we created this, we went to the first problem statement, which is creator funding. Just like the previous team, so our problem statement was that there are so many underrated creators, so we want to give them some recognition. So we created a kind of decentralized application. Everything is on the blockchain. As you can see, this solution we've written. And yeah, as I said, everything is on the blockchain. We haven't used any backend. Everything is stored on the IPFS. And as users, you can view a list of creators and you can donate some amount of crypto, which is Ethereum in this case, to a particular creator. And the tech stack which we've used is, so yeah, the tech stack which we've used is React.js for the front end and Tailwind CSS for the styling. Along with that, we've used IPFS and MetaMask again for the transactions. And so as users, you can donate to creators. And as creators, you can actually, add NFTs to your collection. So a particular creator has his own set of NFTs, and you can buy those set of NFTs with some crypto, as you can see. So yeah, that is our project. And not only that, we've also integrated something which is called as video NFTs. This is something which we came across yesterday when we read the problem statement. You will see this later. So basically a video will be playing and you can select that video and that will be your NFT. And not just that.
Very nice concept, guys. See, probably you'll be seeing YouTube videos, right? There you'll be seeing something called as impressions. So that graph will be going up. So that specific part where the impression is high, they can basically select it and make it as an NFT. So this is the most important work. I like that specific work a lot. Because just imagine from the video taking out based on the impression and putting it directly as an NFT over there. And that is what is required, right? So why will NFT get sold? Because of some of the viral content that is present. So this was the most amazing use case.
Exactly as you mentioned, sir. So if you want to promote a course or something, you can just take that part alone and put it as an NFT there. So simple as that.
Hey, can you repeat that last part? If you want to promote.
Yeah, like if you want to promote something, you generally take to Instagram and stuff to promote, right? So you can just release a video NFT like this and promote on the platform itself.
Naveen sir did not hear that word still.
Promote your course.
Yeah, no, you can add that part.
So yeah, this was basically our application. So thank you so much to the team for organizing this, and thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to come and present ourselves.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. One final reward. Guys, winner, just wait for some time. Okay, one final reward. What is that reward? iPhone reward. Okay, the social influencer reward. First of all, I would like to call all the influencers, YouTubers over here. Sir, aye. Naveen sir. Okay, Naveen sir, Saurabh sir, Mukesh, Hitesh sir है क्या? नहीं? Okay. आप कहाँ थे सर? दिखेंगे? अच्छा अभी है? Perfect. Okay, guys. So many people have, posted a lot of things. We have seen that cumulatively. We have decided the winner. And again, it did take us a lot of time to basically validate the winner itself. So first of all, this is the iPhone that you are getting. Okay, so iPhone is here, and let's announce the winner. The winner of this iPhone is Shweta. How many Shweta are there? I just told Shweta, no surname yet. Yeah, case. Okay. Shweta KS, right? Yeah, perfect. So I request all the influencers here to please get this reward. to Shweta. So, how do you feel?
I didn't expect this. It's kind of emotional.
Yeah, please speak about the hackathon. How was the experience in hackathon and all, everything?
The people who won third award, I came from Christ University, so we know nothing. So about blockchain, there were other
No need to laugh, guys. See, I know many people don't know anything, so that is the main purpose of hackathon, right? You come over here, learn things, implement things in 24 hours, right?
all other friends who are good at coding. So all I came was it's just an experience for me. So I just tried, why not? I like posting stuffs and everything. So I just tried, why not? So, all my friends were hyping up for that. I'm like, no, don't do it, don't give me expectations, and then I should not go down about it. But then, thank you guys, whoever liked, and all my friends who shared.
Thank you everyone. And getting this reward from the influencers itself is quite amazing. Right? Okay guys, so this was it from our side. All the people who have won the prizes, please come over here, okay, in the sitting area itself. And for other people who could not win, अभी picture बाकी है. There are many hackathons that are going to come up, and I know you are going to perform exceptionally well. You know, so see, everything that we do, right? Always we don't think that whether we'll get a reward or not. From here, for the people who did not win,